Hello guys, I just want to share to you my money plants. So they are calling it money plants. Ayan, ganda no? Nililinisan ko yan isa-isa yung mga leaves nila just to remove the dust. See, that's why they are shiny. Oh, diba? Beautiful yan. Dito yan sa may office ko. And there's another one. See? It's shiny. And there's new. See? There's new leaf now. Ah! They became healthy. Before, the leaves became yellow. But now, see? They became green because I changed the soil. See? And I have another one, but the other one's still growing. When I changed the soil, all the leaves became yellow. Only few the leaves now. I changed also the soil. See, the other leaves became yellow now. Okay. And I have another one, but it's in the flower vase with water, not soil. This one. This also money plants. Wow. That's all.